It's a bit squiggly, this. Right. Just gonna have a look at the distance. We've got about 22 inches here. In the middle, 22. How come that one's, what's that one then? Ah, 21, you see. Now I come up to this end. Oh my God, that's 28. I'm not worried about that, but I think that's 27. So it's got bigger at this end, that's 28, that's 27. That's 24. And then halfway, it's back to 22. So it's all right up to about here, and then it gets bigger. So I think the only option is to make it all 28 inches. But if we do that, that's going to bring it, even 27, 28, we'll bring it out to there. That's quite a bit. That's basically it. You see the red line? Can you see that? Anyway, that's our red line going up. And that would look straighter. So I think that's what I'm going to do, but it's just out a bit at this end. I'm not too worried about that. I think in general it's going to look a lot straighter. Right, that's what we'll do. Now normally you'd use like this, but I don't own one. You just want a spade that's as flat as possible. It's got a bit of a lip there, but not much I can do about that. So yeah, I think what we'll do, we just come on the outside of the string, give it a quick push down, and that's it. Just keep it as close as you can without pushing the string. Right, I'll crack on with this. That's definitely straighter, and as you're looking up at it, it's going to look totally fine. You won't really notice it. So we need to just take this off now and shake off as much soil as we can. Now because it curves out a bit here, I'm thinking from this point here, where this weed is, I can maybe chop out about 1 meter's worth. And literally just plant it in. That's the hope. So I'm just teasing it out. There's no right or wrong way of doing this. I'm just doing what I think. Winging it. Trying to keep it all together. So I'm trying to keep all the soil with it. It seems to come up in two. Anyway, we'll just drag that across to there. A bit of transplant surgery. And just press it down. Simple as that, really. Bit of soil under that bit. I'm just pushing it down with fingers underneath. Yeah, I reckon that's pretty good. We'll get the next bit. And we'll just see how that goes. Can always take it off. Just push a bit of soil underneath. Especially that bit where it's dipping down. Okay, take a little look at that. That could actually work. That could actually work. So as I go down, I'm just going to take them off. I'm going to get the grass and shake off or thimble off the soil. So all the soil goes back in and it's just grass and roots, and get rid of that. But while I'm here, I'll just pull the weeds as well. So it kills two birds with one stone. Right, I'll crack on with this. So it's coming on, about halfway through it now. I've seen a couple of chafer grubs. There's one. Is that one? No, that's not it. There we go. There's one. Doesn't seem to be doing much. Basically, this is the point now where they start to curl up. But I'm not worried. All lawns will have one or two, so it's not a big thing. It's when you get a big infestation, you start seeing quite a few in one small area. So all I'm doing, I'm just getting my trowel and just pushing it under and just snapping those remaining roots and then just pulling it off. And all I'm doing, I'm just giving it a good shake and then getting my fingers and just crumbling all the soil off really until it's nice and light and fluffy. I've got some worms there. This is mycelium, all this white stuff that you can see there, look. All good. Right, we're over the worst of it now. We've just got that last bit to do. Well, that's it. It's certainly straightened it up a lot. Now, I could go down the edge with the edging shears just to get it really nice and neat, which I might do, but they need a bit of a sharpen, to be honest. But I'm more than happy with that. It's tidied it up, it's got the border looking good. I might get some winter pansies in just to get a bit of colour in. But that's it. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, check out my second channel called Behind the Lawn. Thanks for watching.